firstborn has been a hot topic on Twitter all day, but not everyone is sharing the euphoria. Let's take a look at some of those tweets. Greg tweeting, "Who really cares about the royal baby?" Chris saying, "Essentially, a woman gave birth. Everyone needs to calm down and put the kettle on." Germ saying, "A monarchy in the 21st century is embarrassing enough, but a tax-funded monarchy that doesn't do anything, that's really embarrassing." Richard saying, "I'm patriotically proud of British achievements like Shakespeare, Darwin and DNA fingerprinting, but a royal baby, nothing to celebrate." Praveen tweeting saying, "No single child is more important than another. It's what that child achieves in their life that matters the most."